Hi everybody. We get a lot of questions all the time on whether the perfect storm tools work on other markets other than the US stock index, and they do. So what I've done here, I've loaded up a Euro USD 4-minute chart, and I put the Vedic rainbow indicator on it, and I'm going to go through the primary triggers of the we're going to look at the B2, B3 window and the C1 primarily, and we're going to look and see if we get these intraday highs and lows that we normally are used to getting on the ES. You can see here I'm going back to February. I've got some bunch of days in February, March, and then also in April to show that these do work. You can see we had the high a day come in here on the white window, the high a day come in here on the white C1 with the overlap of green that you see in the upper panels. New high made here on the bright green window. I don't have this white window marked because of the time and where we were. We did not have a new high or new low in that window. We were still inside this prior trading range. So the windows that you see here that I don't have marked is because we're in that prior range. Moving forward, we have new high here in the white window, new high here in the green window, new high here in the green C1 window, and a new low here in the white window. That was February 25th. On February 26th, we've got new high. We have a close to a new low here. This is like a double bottom. We're very close. So when we're retesting those areas, we also will look at trading those. Got a new high here in the white B1. We've got a new low, two new lows here in the green B2 with the green B1, and then the white B1 we made lower low. Got a long trade, then made another lower low for a really good long trade. February 28th, new low, white B1 over C1. Right here on the white B2, we've got a new low breaking outside of that range. Here we get a new low and a new high in the bright green window. That is the 29th. Moving into March 1st, 3rd, 4th, we've got new high here, new low here, new high here, new high here, and then new high here. All of those setting off good trades. Here we have new high in the white window. Here in the white B2 window we have new low. Moving forward, this is March 6th, 7th. Here we have white over green over white. We've got new low, double bottom, so chance for two trade setups there. This carries through consistently. I'm not going to do every block for the last 2.5 months, but here's moving into late March on the 26th. We have a new low here. We have a new low here in the white block at 4:08 a.m. on March 27th. Moving forward, the bright green window, we have new high. Here we had a new low. This one is a failed trade. It's one of the few failures in the mix here. Here's a new low that's going into the flat period, but still there are pips to be had. Here we've got new high on the spike bar here, retest of the top and then drop. That's on 31st of March. Moving to April. A few more examples. The chart's pretty compressed, but we had a new high here in the white. We had a new high here in the green. That high was made around 8:36. It went down to 08:29, so not a lot on that one. But we were right at the end of the day session there where the euro starts to go quiet. April 4th here we've got a new low. Right at the end of the B3 window we've got the high and the sharp drop that was right on that early morning report. Here we've got a new low. This is April 8th, new low. Here we made a new low and got a little bit of a bounce trade there, and then it made a little bit of a lower low after the window, but the window still gave us what was the low at the time. Next window here, the white window, a nice low right there, right as the green A4 window opens. New low here in the white, getting close to the end. Big drop down, made new low here on the 10th. Low here at the white window on the 11th. New low here. Look at a little bit of a bounce trade there up to this spike high. Then made a new low just outside the window. And now we've got two important windows coming up today. The same two windows that I highlighted on the ES video from this morning. So there's a look at how the timing windows work on the euro. They work well on any instrument. They'll work in any market. This is New York time, so the euro responds pretty well to New York time. So this is an effective tool to be used on Forex as well.